All right, guys. Got the green shirt on. That's how you know we mean business. It's time to come clean. We know our channel is a little bit ADD. We're all over the place. We make a lot of different videos about a lot of different stuff. I think the best way to explain why our channel is the way it is to give you a brief history and then some changes we're making to our channel that we're very excited about.
So our channel had originally started out as us documenting our house flips. That was something that we were really passionate about because it really helped us a lot in our financial journey. And so we were just excited to share that process with people and how big of a difference it can make in other people's lives.
So the problem with the house flipping YouTube channel is that we don't have a crazy before and after for you each episode. It would just be, a few little changes here and there, and it was hard to make the videos, and also they weren't appreciated that much. So it was a little bit discouraging, but Sarah is very talented in many different ways, and she decided to showcase one of her other expertises, which is...
Am I an expert?
Yes.
I did this thing on the side called furniture flipping, where I would buy a piece of furniture from a thrift store and then sell it for more money on Marketplace on Facebook. So I kind of did this for fun, and I decided to document it a little bit just to show other people that, hey, here's a cool way you can make a few $100 extra if you happen to need it or want it. It was something that ended up helping a lot of people, we felt like. We heard so many cool stories from you guys about just different ways you were using that extra few $100 you were making, whether it was for paying rent or starting to invest or paying off your student debt. Just some really cool stories.
So we really got a lot of satisfaction and purpose out of hearing your stories, and we just thought it was a really cool way to make a difference in people's lives. So we kind of steered away from some of the real estate content and focused more on that. There's been several of you who have even started your own channels, and some that are even doing better than we are now as far as views and subscribers.
So for a while now, we've been doing these furniture flipping videos where we show you the things we buy at thrift stores, we sell them on Facebook Marketplace, and then we show you how much profit we got, which is entertaining and kind of fun to watch. But we didn't feel a whole lot of satisfaction out of that to say, hey, look at us, we made $300 just by flipping this stuff. That wasn't really the purpose of our channel. We didn't feel like that was really serving you guys at all.
So as much as we love flipping furniture, we care more about encouraging you guys in your own financial journey, and we truly believe that there's a lot of power in learning how to make extra money on the side. So, the big announcement, what are we doing with the channel?
So, every week we're going to still be flipping that furniture, but instead of saying, hey look, we flipped this furniture and we made a $300 profit, good job us, we're gonna actually be taking that profit and giving it to you guys. So how it's gonna work is every time we post a flipping video, the profits from those flips are gonna go to one lucky commenter. So how you're gonna win is you're going to comment on that video, you're going to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, and then in the following video, we will announce the winner of the previous week.
We're really excited about this. We hope we get some really cool stories back of how you're able to use that money, either to save it, invest it, or grow it through flipping and other things.
It's always been a goal of ours on this channel to just be an encouragement to you guys and just a happy place on the internet. So we hope that we can continue to do that, and we're excited to see where this goes. So follow along, this is coming up soon.
If you haven't subscribed yet, you probably are going to want to know when we're posting videos, because you could be that winner. If you've watched any of our other videos, you know that we make pretty good money flipping furniture. So this isn't going to be like a $20 prize. We're talking hundreds. So we're very excited about this, and we hope you are too.
We'll see you guys soon.
See you soon. It's going to be a good one. We have it filmed already. Should you tell them how much it's going to be?
The very first prize is $300. Okay. Bye.
Bye.